Everybody wanna see me throw a fireball, but that's not right, not in real life. You won't fall down and break your leg. Everybody wanna see me break an egg. Well, I don't.
Coconut oil. This is how it is done. Alright. I'm outside on the grill, not in the kitchen, on the stove. Saving my gas, so I'm using charcoal. Okay. Alright. So when I'm done, I'm gonna see the amount of coconut oil I got. So I'm keep stirring so the milk can boil the complete oil. Okay. I have to keep stirring. That's how the process goes. Alright. So you see my skillet and my grill. Alright. So it's boiling, as you can see. See? It's boiling. Alright. So this is it. See, it keep boiling. Okay. Alright, so that's how you make home style, real home organic coconut oil. Everyone, I'm back, and as you can see, it's going down to the furlong marker. Yeah, it's going down, 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 down. I'm going down. Yes, it's going down. Alright, so I'm still stirring. Okay, as you can see the oil. It's coming to perfection. See, I go a bit closer. As I said, I'm not using one of those zoomy cameras. I'm just using my cell phone. So I don't want it to get in the fire. Don't want to lose my phone. Oh no. But you can have a look. See there? It's boiling away. See that? Alright. And I keep stirring. See? Woohoo! It's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. No preservative, none whatsoever. Jamaican home style coconut oil. Coconut woman is balling out, and every day you're gonna hear them shout. Coconut oil, it good for your skin, it good for your body. Yeah. That's me singing, huh? Trying. Okay. I'm just doing my thing. So, okay, everyone. I am back. Now, look at this. Oh, my God. Look at this. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at that, people. Do you see what I'm saying? Yeah. Look at that. Wow. Now this is the real deal. See? That's the real deal. Look at that. And that smell. As I said before, wow. I've got it covered. This is homemade Jamaican backyard coconut oil. You hear I emphasize it? Oil. Yes, sirree. I'm gonna put this in my hair. I'm gonna put it on my skin. I may even drink a little. Wow. Yeah, man. Irie. Look at that, people. People, look at that. Look at my oil. Look at that. You hear the sound? It is frying away. Wow. Let me keep stirring. Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. I can't believe I give you homestyle Jamaican coconut oil. I tell you, people, when my son put this together, you're not gonna stop watching it, I tell you. I have to keep stirring now. See? You hear the sound? Now stir. Wow. Oh yes. Stir it, baby, stir it. Look at that. Amazing. Look at that. Amazing. People, look here. Look here, people. Look at this. Crystal clear. Look at that. Oh my God. It's coming to formation. Woo-hoo! Where my friends at? You need to see this. Wow, look at the custard. Look at the custard, people. Look here. Look at the custard. This is custard. See the custard? Look at that. Look at the custard. Oh my God. Wow. I tell you, it took a lot of me to do this, but woo-hoo! Yes, sirree. And now it's coming to perfection. Here we go. My son keep looking at me. Maybe he thinks I'm getting off my head. No, sonny boy, I'm not. My son just take a piece to what I'm doing. Hear him. Mommy, you really that good? Yeah, man, your mommy, they cook for her yard, they are me. The granny in the old kitchen in a country. You see it? Every day if you go to a country, go to the back of your yard in a country, go pick up food. If you don't have no coal, you cook your dinner. So that's why I cook for me yard and me. Yeah. I only get burned one at a time because my hand couldn't go to school for days at a very tender age. But see me here today. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. People, you sit down. Let me go down zone. As close as I can get it. Wow, look at that. See that, people? See? So now, people, That's the final touch right here. What I'm going to do now is to stop this video, take off this pot, put it to cool, and then I'm going to strain it. I'm coming back, and then you'll see my real homemade coconut oil. Okay people, see you soon. Bye now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, now I need my son to help me to do the rest. So I'm going to strain a little bit of oil. It's all cool, and as you can see, I'm going to strain. I'm going to extract all these brown parts from the little bit of oil I got. As you can see, it's going to give me a little bottle full. So let's see what's happening here now. Alright, so I'm going to strain. Alright. So I'm straining. Okay, there we go. Oops, wow, some good doing that. Oops, don't worry, I got to strain it again. Because as you can see, all of this going inside here. So I'm going to do a second straining. Don't worry about that, people. Just want to get as much as my oil as I can. Yeah. I want to leave back any in the pot. So I'm going to get as much. You see how brown this is here? Zoom in for me, sonny boy. Let them have a look. See? Alright. As I said, it wasn't much. Because after all that boiling and boiling and boiling, you know, it's gonna come down to this little bit here. Let me strain it out in my little coconut. Zoom in my coconut oil bottle, sonny boy, so they can see my coconut. Look at that, look at that. That's real coconut oil. Look at that. Oh my God. Did I do that? Yes, I did. Oh wow. All of it is gone. Now look. Look at this, people. Look. There, young man. Put it over. Put it over so they see. Zoom in. It's coconut oil. That's my coconut oil. Oh my God. Look at that.
It smells nice.
It smells nice?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man. Spin my bottle around so they can see. It's coconut oil. Spin my bottle around. Yeah. Real coconut oil. I'm telling you, look at that. So people, there you have it. From my kitchen to yours with love. That is my coconut oil. And as I said, my son is gonna blog it or whatever you call it, or post it or whatever, so you can check it out on his YouTube channel, or you can follow him on Instagram, subscribe to his YouTube channel, give him that props up. And if you need me to make coconut oil for you, homemade Jamaican backyard coconut oil, just give him a holler on his YouTube channel. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm out for now. You all have a great Monday. Peace. Love you all. Bye now.